Here is our list of the top 5 best projectors you can get right now. The JMGO N1S Ultimate is a cutting-edge 4K UHD projector designed for exceptional home entertainment. It features a brightness of 3,500 ANSI lumens, 110% BT 2020 color gamut, 10-bit color depth, and a 1600:1 contrast ratio, delivering vibrant sharp visuals even in well-lit spaces. Smart capabilities include Google TV with Netflix, voice control, and access to thousands of apps. Its innovative gimbal design supports 360 degrees horizontal and 135 degrees vertical rotation for flexible placement, complemented by real-time autofocus and keystone correction. Dual 10-watt speakers with Dolby Audio ensure immersive sound. Compact and portable, it offers versatile connectivity and 30,000-hour durability, making it ideal for versatile viewing. The LG CineBeam Q is a compact portable 4K UHD projector designed for high-quality projection in dark settings. Featuring 500 ANSI lumens brightness, a 450,000:1 contrast ratio, and RGB laser technology, it delivers sharp visuals, vibrant colors covering 154% of the DCI-P3 gamut, and HDR10 HLG support for dynamic range. Smart features include LG's WebOS platform, offering streaming apps like Netflix. Auto keystone correction and autofocus enable hassle-free setup, while its durable design ensures portability. With up to 20,000 hours of lamp life, multiple connectivity options, and screen sizes from 50 to 120 inches, it's ideal for versatile home and outdoor entertainment. The Anker NEBULA Cosmos delivers a premium home theater experience with its 4K UHD resolution, 2,200 ANSI lumens brightness, and ALPD 3.0 laser technology for vibrant sharp visuals and 100% Rec. 709 color accuracy. Equipped with Android TV 10, it offers access to over 7,000 apps, built-in Chromecast, and Dolby Audio-powered dual 10-watt speakers with 3D sound. Intelligent environment adaptation ensures seamless setup with auto keystone correction and focus. Its compact portable design with a handle makes it versatile, though it requires AC power. Long-lasting and feature-rich, it's ideal for immersive home or outdoor entertainment. The Dangbei Mars Pro 2 delivers a premium home theater experience with 4K UHD resolution, 2450 ISO lumens brightness, and HDR10+ support for vibrant sharp visuals. It projects up to 200 inches, enhanced by dual 12-watt Dolby Audio and DTS:X speakers for immersive sound. Features include Google TV integration, licensed Netflix streaming, Wi-Fi 6, and HDMI 2.1 for gaming with low latency. Setup is streamlined with AI-powered autofocus, keystone correction, and obstacle avoidance. Its sleek design, built-in cooling, 3D support, and ambient brightness adjustment make it a versatile high-performance option for home entertainment enthusiasts. The Epson LS11000 is a premium 4K PRO-UHD laser projector designed for movie enthusiasts and gamers. It delivers native 4K resolution with advanced pixel shifting and a vibrant 2,500 ANSI lumens brightness. With a dynamic contrast ratio of 1,200,000:1 and support for HDR10+ and Dolby Vision, it ensures stunning color accuracy in deep blacks. Gamers benefit from 4K HDR at 120 Hz and ultra-low input lag. The laser light source offers 20,000 hours of maintenance-free use. Features like motorized lens adjustments, wide color gamut, and versatile connectivity make setup flexible. This feature-packed projector provides immersive cinematic and gaming experiences, making it a standout choice in its class.